Can you imagine a world without Coca-Cola, pacemakers, or even the purple color? What if I told you that these things only exist because of mistakes? Today, we're diving into 5 real-life mistakes that did not just make the history, they changed it forever. Invention of Coca-Cola. Back in 1886, a pharmacist named John Pemberton was trying to make a nerve tonic for headaches and fatigue. He mixed coca leaf extract with cola nut syrup. The plan was simple: add water and sell it as a medicinal drink. But in the pharmacy one day, a clerk accidentally mixed it with carbonated water instead of plain water. People tried it and loved it instantly. What began as a small experiment in Atlanta turned into the most famous drink on the planet. Coca-Cola. Invention of pacemaker. In 1956, in a small electronics lab, engineer Wilson Greatbatch was building a device to record heartbeats when he grabbed the wrong resistor. Instead of recording, the circuit started sending tiny electrical pulses, just like a human heart. That mistake became the first implantable pacemaker, a device that has saved millions of lives. Invention of safety glass. In 1903, a French chemist named Edouard Benedictus accidentally dropped a glass flask. He expected it to shatter into pieces, but it did not. It had a thin layer of plastic inside from an old experiment, which held the glass together. That lucky accident led to safety glass. Invention of stethoscope. Let's go to Paris in 1816. Dr. René Laennec needed to check a young woman's heartbeat, but at the time, the only way was to press your ear directly to the patient's chest. Feeling awkward, he rolled up a sheet of paper into a tube and listened. The sound was even clearer than before. That paper roll became the first stethoscope. Invention of purple color. In 1856, an 18-year-old chemist named William Perkin was trying to make a malaria drug from coal tar. Instead, he ended up with a thick purple sludge. Most people would have thrown it away, but Perkin tested it on fabric and discovered a brilliant, long-lasting purple no one had seen before. Until then, purple dye came from crushed sea snails. It was so expensive only royalty could wear it. His mistake didn't just create the purple color. It launched the entire synthetic dye industry and made rich colors affordable for everyone. Who knows what accidents are happening today that might become the next Coca-Cola or life-saving invention tomorrow. If you loved this video, check out part 1 for even more unbelievable discoveries. And remember, sometimes the wrong turn is the one that changes history.